If your balance transfer hasn't been processed, it may be due to several reasons. Firstly, it's essential to ensure that your card is set up correctly, which includes providing all necessary card details and verifying your email address, ID, and income details. If your card is not activated, the bank transfer will not be processed. Additionally, the method of transfer you choose can also impact the processing time. Some methods are slower than others, and it's generally advisable to opt for the fastest method to save time. It's also important to note that processing times can be affected by weekends and holidays, as banks only process transactions during business hours. Typically, a balance transfer takes between 7 to 10 days to complete, although this can vary depending on the lender and bank. If your balance transfer is delayed, it's best to contact your card issuer to identify the issue and resolve it. They will update you on the reason for the delay and guide you on the next steps to take. By understanding these factors and taking the necessary steps, you can avoid delays and ensure a smooth balance transfer process.